Prime Minister Narendra Modi is holding a key meeting with Union Home Minister Amit Shah, National Security Advisor Ajit Doval, and Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today. According to the sources, security and policy related discussions are on the table, and that the main agenda of the meeting was to expedite the process of formulating a drone policy for India. The meeting comes in the backdrop of Sunday's drone attack on the Jammu airbase and the events that followed. The meeting started at 4 p.m. Meanwhile, the investigation into the attack on the Jammu Air Force Station has been handed over to the NIA. In what was the first instance of Pakistan-based terrorists deploying drones to strike vital installations, 2 bombs were dropped at the IAF station in Jammu in the early hours of Sunday, causing minor injuries to 2 airmen. Cipla, a multinational pharmaceutical company headquartered in Mumbai, on Tuesday received the approval from the Drugs Controller General of India to import Moderna's coronavirus vaccine for restricted emergency use in India. At the health briefing on Tuesday, Niti Aayog health member Dr. V.K. Paul confirmed the development, saying an application received from Moderna through an Indian partner has received emergency use authorization. This opens up the likelihood of the vaccine being imported in near future. This is the 4th vaccine, he said, adding that this is only the regulatory approval given. Indemnity issue is being examined. Facebook and Google were today asked by the Parliamentary Committee on Information and Technology to comply with the new IT rules and follow the country's laws. The panel also asked the internet giants to put in place stringent data privacy and security safeguards. It has sought Twitter's response on the recent locking of his account for a brief period. Executive of social networking website Facebook India and search engine Google deposed before the House panel today over issues like safeguarding citizens' rights and prevention of social or online news media platforms' misuse, according to sources. The panel, led by Congress MP Shashi Tharoor, will next summon representatives of YouTube and other social media intermediaries as well in the coming weeks. Facebook India was represented at the deposition by Shivnath Thukral, its Director of Public Policy, and Namrata Singh, its Associate General Counsel. Google India sent Aman Jain, its Country Head for Government Affairs and Public Policy, and Gitanjali Duggal, the Legal Department Director. Rahul Gandhi today denied any meeting with Navjot Singh Sidhu a day after the disgruntled Punjab Congress leader's team said he had a meeting with the Gandhis. On Monday, Navjot Singh Sidhu's team had said he would meet with Rahul Gandhi and his sister Priyanka Gandhi Vadra in Delhi. The cricketer turned politician had sought a meeting with the Gandhis to press for his demands in the middle of his intense feud with Punjab Chief Minister Amrinder Singh. So had Amrinder Singh, who was in Delhi last week for a second meeting with the 3-member Congress committee formed by the party chief Sonia Gandhi to resolve the Punjab infighting. His expected meet with the Gandhis did not happen, even though the party made it clear that he will lead the Congress in the election. The European Union's decision not to include Covishield in the list of approved vaccines for the Digital Green Certificate and EU-wide travel pass has many worried in India. Amid allegations of racism, sources in the European Union clarified its stand on the exclusion of Serum Institute's Covishield, saying that the EU Digital COVID Certificate is meant to facilitate safe, free movement within the European Union during the pandemic. The Green Pass, launched to enable hassle-free travel into and between the member states, is not necessary for those travelling from outside of the European Union. The aim of the EU Digital COVID Certificate is to facilitate free movement inside the member nations. It is not a precondition to travel. It will serve as a proof that a person was vaccinated against COVID-19, received a negative test result, or recovered from COVID-19. So far, 4 vaccines have been approved by the European Medicines Agency for the EU Digital COVID Certificate.
Now be the first to know about the latest updates on our new news app. Go on your Android or iOS, search for HW News Network. Download our app, choose the language you prefer to get updates in, and be up to date with the latest news.